Does Relay Bank have a credit card? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Relay Bank have a credit card? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about why I think credit cards are such an important financial tool. They can help you build credit, consolidate debt, and earn rewards. What is a credit card? A credit card is a type of revolving loan that allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit. You can then use the card to make purchases or withdraw cash. How do credit cards work? When you use your credit card, you are essentially borrowing money from the bank. The bank will then charge you interest on the amount you borrowed. What are the benefits of having a credit card? There are a number of benefits to having a credit card, including building credit. Using your credit card responsibly can help you build a good credit score. A good credit score can make it easier to get approved for loans, mortgages, and other financial products. Consolidate debt. If you have a lot of debt, a credit card can be a good way to consolidate your debt into one monthly payment. Earn rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards programs such as cash back, airline miles, or hotel points. Fraud protection. Credit cards offer fraud protection, which can help you if your card is stolen or used without your permission. Does Relay Bank have a credit card? The answer is no. Relay Bank does not currently offer a credit card. What are some other options for getting a credit card? If you're looking for a credit card, there are a number of other banks and credit unions that offer them. You can also compare credit cards online to find the best deal for you. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial tips and advice. Additional tips for your YouTube video script. Use a conversational tone. Keep your script concise and to the point. Use visuals to help illustrate your points. End your script with a call to action. I hope these tips help you create a great YouTube video script.